Hey creators, welcome back to NeoDesign Lab. Today, we're diving into text-to-video generation using Hailuo AI, a powerful tool that turns your script into animated video automatically. Step 1. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short story. Try something like, write a 3-scan story about a curious robot exploring forest and founding new cute friends. When it's over, give the second prompt, something like create image prompt for piclumen AI and video prompt for Hailuo AI for each scan separately. If you'd like to learn more about how to turn text into AI-generated images using free tools, check out our tutorial, How to Turn Text into Stunning AI Images, Step-by-Step Guide, Free Tools. It's right here on the channel. Now back to Hailuo. Step 2. Go to hailuoai.video and paste your story into a new project. Choose your video style, camera movement, and visual tone. Click Generate, and in seconds, Hailuo transforms your text into animated video scenes. You can preview each shot and download it. No editing or animation skills needed. Want to add voice narration? Check out our ChatGPT ElevenLabs tutorial to turn your story into natural-sounding speech. You can combine that voiceover with this Hailuo video using any video editor like CapCut or Premiere Pro. AI tools like this are making video production faster, smarter, and accessible to everyone. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what kind of stories you'll turn into videos next. See you in the next tutorial.